What's your name, my friend?
Shamsuddin.
Shamshadi?
Yeah. Shamsuddin.
Shamshadin. Yeah, guys. Shamshadin. The name is what? This is your owner?
Yeah.
You owner the shop.
Okay.
This is the owner of the shop. So today, now we are asking about the price, the CPU and laptop, how much. So like this example, how much this one, sir?
It's one user.
Yeah.
User this one.
This one, this actually this is not brand new, right?
Yeah, brand new. It's
Brand
one,
new or second hand?
It's 1 second.
Second hand. What's up mga katropang pabulong? Magandang araw po sa inyo guys. And today, bago po matapos ang taon, so babati muna po tayo ng Happy New Year mga katropang pabulong natin dyan guys, no? And to all OFWs, Happy New Year po. And then sa pamilya ko sa Pilipinas, kay mama at kay papa, sa kapatid ko, sa mga pamangkin ko, mga pinsan ko, yan, Happy New Year po sa inyo lahat guys. And yun, ayun nga pala, bago makalimutan, no, babatiin ko muna yung aking papa ng happy birthday, no? Happy birthday papa, and more birthday to come, and God bless, no? So yan, pupunta tayo, nandito pa rin tayo ngayon sa Pahil. So may pupuntahan tayo dito, bilihan ng mga cellphone, laptop, yan, CPU. Nandito tayo sa gitna ng kalsada, no? So kung gusto nyo makamura ng makabili ng cellphone or mga laptop na mura, dito may pupuntahan tayo guys, isang shop na bilihan ng mga ng cellphone saka CPU. Inulit ko ulit. So ayan guys, samahan nyo ako rito mga katropa bulong. Let's go! So ayan guys, malapit lang po dito yung pupuntahan natin mga katropa bulong, no? Tapat lang siya, sa likod lang siya ng Lulu Center. So andun po yung Lulu, tumawid po tayo dito. Yan, nandito yung McDonald's. Lakad lang po kayo ng konti dito, papasok lang po dito. Ayan, dito pa rin tayo sa Pahil, no? Walang pagbabago. So nandun po yung Lulu Center. Ayun, yung Lulu Center, makikita nyo kaagad yan. So pupuntahan po natin dito yung tingin tayo dito guys. Kung gusto nyo maghanap ng bilihan or magpapagawa kayo ng laptop, o may naghahanap kayo ng pabibili ng CPU, cellphone, repair. So dito lang yan guys. Yeah. Dito lang yan, malapit lang dito guys, pupuntahan natin. So mamaya papakita ko sa inyo mga katropang bulong yung pangalan ng shop, no? Dito sa Pahil, yung kung gusto niyo magpagawa, kung may sira yung laptop nyo, yung cellphone, anything, lahat pwedeng gawin nila. So dito lang yan sa likod ng Lulu Center. So tara. So ayan mga katropa bulong, nandito na po tayo, bilihan ng mga cellphone, laptop, CPU, no? May mga sila, mga second hand doon guys, pero makakamura po kayo dito at makakahingi pa kayo ng mga discount. Ang pangalan po ng shop nila ito, Next Info, yan, exclusive laptop showroom, yan po guys. So ayan mga katropa bulong, pasok po tayo dito, tignan natin yung mga binibenta nilang items, mga accessories like cellphone or laptop, CPU, anything, lahat nandito, mga accessories pang vlog or ring light, meron po sila lahat dito guys. So ayan mga katropa bulong, samahan nyo ko rito. Let's go! So guys, ngayon ask natin yung mga price ng mga CPU nila rito guys. Like laptops, CPU, yan, inulit ko. Laptop, CPU, yan, and another accessories, cellphone. You have for vlogging or live stream, you have a ring, right? Ring light, yeah, ring light. Or accessories, the cellphone, yeah, mask, yeah. We have accessories, cellphone like that, like this. And then for the gaming, yeah, for gaming, you have here inside the shop. So yeah, now I'm asking for the how much the price, like that, right? Everyone. So what's your name, my friend?
Shamsuddin.
Shamshadi?
Yeah.
Shamshadin.
Shamsuddin.
Yeah, guys, Shamshadin, the name is this is your owner?
Yeah.
You owner the shop.
Okay.
Okay. This is the owner the shop. So today now we are asking about the price, the CPU and laptop, how much. So like this example, how much this one, sir?
This one user.
Yeah.
User this one.
This one, actually this is not brand new, right?
Yeah, brand new. This
Brand new
one,
or second hand?
This one second.
Second hand.
Brand new also.
Also brand
Yeah.
brand new.
This one brand new.
Okay.
This one brand new.
Mhm. So the first the CPU, how much this one?
This one is different. i3 quarter two is coming. It's one 25 KD.
25 KD.
Yeah.
This is original price, huh?
Monitor used and 8 KD.
8 KD. This one you have 25 price, you have a discount? No.
Discount after discount, no problem.
Okay.
This one also i7 also 65 KD.
65 KD.
i3 45 KD.
Tell the picks how many picks this one, or Dell Intel iCore 7, right?
iCore, sir.
500 GB HDD 4G
okay,
4G RAM, right? Okay. Yeah, you see that one, guys. Show it the all CPU how many picks. Yeah. So now this laptop coming. How much the laptop, sir?
This one is coming 210. This one I think book.
200?
I think 210 K.
210? Okay.
KD.
210 KD, yeah?
Yeah.
But here we have a discount, right?
Yeah,
Last
after
price.
discount.
Okay.
I give it also bag, headphone, mousepad.
Okay. So this one,
This one HP i5.
HP i5, okay. Core i5. How much this one, sir?
This one 200 KD.
200 KD, yeah. So
discount, no problem.
yeah, you have discount. So guys, if you are asking here the laptop, if you want to asking, or if you want, you need the laptop, asking here and you give it the discount, right, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Anything else? This one,
Lenovo.
Lenovo. Okay, i3.
I use one also laptop. You can use one. You can use an Huawei.
Huawei MateBook, right?
Yeah.
This nice. How much this one, Huawei MateBook?
User this one. User.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
How much? This like that?
This one 220.
220 KD, guys. So this one Huawei MateBook, guys, is very nice. So very cool. You see that, but no need to open na. But I know that is nice, very nice, this one. So yeah, guys, you have a
Company come here, mobile service.
I have mobile service.
Laptop service.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, I have a mobile service.
All mobiles repair and software, hardware. all.
Okay.
iPhone, iCloud, remove iCloud.
Mhm.
Okay.
So yan, guys, if you have a phone you're broken or anything problem, come here and what the name the shop? Next info, right? Next info. So here in Pahil, back to Lulu Center,
Shop number 30
shop number 30.
near Caesar Travels.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next info, guys, don't forget the shop. If you have a problem with the cell phone or laptop, accessories the phone or vlogging, live stream,
Yeah.
anything else, you have come here.
Here special price also.
Yeah, this is a special price. So we have
So
a
my technician.
yeah, meron pa ba?
laptop
Yeah, you have
is
step.
repairing.
Meron pa rin sa taas, guys. O, akitin natin ito mamaya. Yan. So please invite friend.
Okay.
Tell me tell me that one. Invite your even another nationality.
all people. In the बोलने का?
Yeah, no problem.
All service, mobile, laptop, new one, second hand, all. Okay.
Okay. So, thank you.
Okay, welcome.
So guys, meron pa rin sila sa taas. Pinapakit tayo. I take a video, right, sir? Okay, I go up, sir.
Yeah,
Okay. So, okay tayo, mga katropa bulong. Yeah, yes,
This is
okay.
my service center.
This is service center,
Yeah,
huh?
yeah, this for laptop, Mac, and also is repairing there, software, hardware, everything.
Okay.
And also, just also I unlock the routers,
Router,
Yeah.
yeah.
also networking.
Okay, please invite it all, even Filipino, even another nationality, come
Yeah.
here. And if you have a problem by laptop or
Any laptop you have and Mac is also repair and also software, everything I do it.
okay.
Okay, please come and give me one chance. I give good performance for your life job.
Yeah, very nice. So, anything, if you have a problem, anything like that,
Yeah,
laptop,
anything you hardware and software,
Hardware.
everything I do.
Good. This is a laptop, right?
Yeah.
This is,
Chip level and software, everything I do.
yeah. So, yan. So, yan mga katropa bulong, meron din, dito to na sa taas, sa second floor, pinakit tayo. So, thank you so much, sir, guys.
And this is for annual function is service for performance is award.
Yeah, very nice, ah.
He give me quality.
Yeah, it's nice, it's nice. So ayan guys, kung may mga problema kayo mga sirang laptop or CPU, monitor, dito ko guys sa, what the name again? The shop? Tell me the
Next
shop.
info.
Next Info,
Yeah,
right?
my name is Sarvesh.
Shabish?
Yes, Sarvesh.
Shabish, ah?
Diba?
So yeah,
He
Shabish.
is the technician job.
Yeah. So this is my friend Shabish, the technician here in Next Info. Here in Lulu Center.
Yeah.
Diba? So madali lang siya makita mga katropang bubulong. So yan. So may mga discount sila rito guys at makakamura kayo kung may mga sira kayong cellphone or mga laptop, CPU or any problem or any accessories like live stream or cellphone we have here, right?
Yeah.
So yan. So once again, the name shop is Next Info. Thank you and come here. So all inviting Filipino or even another nationality, Indians or Nepal.
Yeah,
anything,
everybody.
right?
Yeah.
Kuwaiti or you
All
want
countries welcome.
all country, you welcome here in Next Info the shop. So guys, yan. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, boss.
What the name?
Sarvesh.
Servish.
Yeah.
Servish. Okay. Thank you, Servish. You're my friend. Listen, it's very nice guy.
And also you come.
Yeah, no
First
problem.
you come, then everybody come.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. You're
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
So, bye.
1 hour later.
So yan mga katropa bulong, lumabas na po tayo dito sa shop ng ng Next Info. Yan mga katropa bulong, napakabait ng may-ari talaga no, saka yung mga staff dito guys sa loob. Kasi pinayagan tayo mag-vlog no at i-video yung mga items nila ron at pinakit pa tayo sa taas. So guys, yung mga may mga problema diyan sa mga about sa cellphone or sa laptop, CPU, no? Kung may mga sira kayo na laptop nga saka sira yung cellphone nyo or may problem or naghahanap ka ng mga accessories for live stream or accessories sa cellphone, guys, punta po lang po kayo dito sa may Next Info. Yan sa likod po natin guys, dito lang po siya, madali siyang makita sa may, ito po yung Lulu Center. Yan yung Lulu Center, madali lang po siya makita, dito lang siya, behind lang po siya sa likod. So yan, maraming salamat guys, napakabait na may-ari sa kayong mga staff nila ron. So yan, kung may mga problema po kayong mga sa cellphone nyo, may sira yung mga laptop nyo or inuulit ko ulit CPU or naghahanap kayo ng mga accessories about sa cellphone or sa live stream for gaming, marami po sila, lahat po doon meron po sa loob. So yan mga katropa bulang, maraming salamat po sa pagsama nyo sa araw na to. And today, sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe dyan, once again, babatiin ko muna kayo ng Happy New Year guys. Advance Happy New Year. Pag New Year na po sa Pinas. So Maraming salamat po sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe. Please subscribe my channel and hit mo na rin yung notification bell guys para updated ka sa aking mga video, no? At ma-notified ka sa mga new video na i-upload natin guys. So maraming salamat mga katropa bubulong sa pagsama nyo sa araw na to. And always remember love and peace. So Joey Ren, sign out guys. God bless you all. Bye.